Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. We are going to Picket. I don't have a clip, so I can't take you for the ride. But we're gonna go do the live tour, and I have stuff to hang up and put away and finish up the booth. And I did my price tag, so I'm all good. I think. I'm sure I missed something, but I have to drive now, so I will talk to you guys when I get there. I made it safe. Yeah, it's hot. It's so hot. But made it. We're here. Time to price some stuff. I've got about an hour. I actually have about a half hour because then I gotta go actually do the tour. I'm gonna set you guys up here and just chat while I do this. Oh my God. Why is there nowhere to put this camera? That's a good spot. That's a good spot. Stay there. Yeah, I've got a bunch of price tags here of everything I just knew that I had to price. I left here knowing I didn't have half the crap ready to go. This coast-to-coast hardware thing. I gotta get another tag off the side. That was another vendor's. That's not mine. So I bought this for $5 at a garage sale. And I didn't notice they had this vendor tag on there. Wherever they got it from, they got it for $11 and I'm charging more. Oh my God, this is one of those awful tags. I didn't bring my stuff. What am I gonna do? Ugh. There. I at least got the dollar amount off. And I can't say, oh, I want it for this price. Because they will. Yeah, it's just one of those things. But I did the Christmas in July, so we're good there. And then I noticed a couple other vendors are doing Christmas in July. Yeah, because it worked out really well for me last year. I'm trying to put price tags on things where, like, do not lift by the dowels on this. So they know not to do that stuff. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Just not into it anymore. This has been really kind of a bummer. I keep thinking I'm gonna feel better, like I'm gonna suddenly wake up and go, it's all good again. It's Carl Oscar days this weekend. So it should be a good sale. But after the last couple months of the way the earnings have been down, it's like, ugh, I'm not into it. Like, if I'm not gonna get paid to do this, I don't really want to do it. Gotta get more tape. And a safety pin. Maybe get all this stuff priced up before I have to actually do the tour. Let's hope. So I have that pot holder. Oh, great. What are you falling out for now? I swear. I'm cursed. I got that cute little pot holder. Got the safety pin for that. Oh, I got the rugs too. I got safety pins for that. Cutting board that I made. Beer caddy that my husband didn't want. See, I can't buy him anything. Vintage sprinkler. Garden sign. So much fun, isn't it? Brass candle holder. Brass tea light holder. And then the rag rugs have, I need a pin. I'll be back, don't fall down. Got these 2 rag rugs. Price those. I anticipate this being a huge mess because of the way these are stacked in here, and knowing the Wednesday crowd and how messy they are, they're gonna pull them out and they won't put them back. Oh my gosh, I need more pins. And brass mirror. And terraria. You moved. And then I forgot I brought in Christmas fabric to do. Thank you, Naomi. Naomi left a hook back here, and you know what? I brought that picture and I put the new hanger on it, but I didn't bring a hook. So yay, Naomi left a hook here. Thank you for that, Naomi. She's so smart. She's so smart. God bless her, it's like the right size too. She had to have known. Like, Stacy will not be prepared on Tuesday. Oh, this one's priced $9 and $8. Well, I was close. I'm gonna make them both $8. Let's give them a deal for Christmas in July. Which is Christmas fabric that I actually got inside another package of something else that I bought last year, year before. I don't remember. Hang up the picture. That's what I gotta do. And so it was like a bonus. I don't care if I make anything on it. Nope, on one. Sometimes this lattice is a pain in the rump. There we go. Is this on? Oh, it is now. Now the fan's going. Ooh! Naomi's fan's blowing. All right, now let's look at everything. So that's there and it's crooked and I don't care. That's it. That's everything. It's where we left it. I'm gonna get some good pictures tonight. I took good pictures, but not close-ups, so I'm gonna take some close-ups. But that was it. I just spent an hour and 15 minutes doing a tour. People were still setting up, so I was trying to avoid them, and then I thought they were shutting lights off behind me, and then they were just gone. I was like, okay, so I had to finish shutting all the lights off, which meant going back up the stairs. Ooh, it's hot up there. It's hot. Everybody knows we're having a heat wave everywhere, but I was just like, oh, Lord, climbing them damn stairs. But the booth, I think, looks good. We open tomorrow, so wish me luck. When you watch this, that'll be that day, so, you know, prayers and good thoughts be much appreciated. Doesn't that look cute? I love my new shade on there. I have a white one somewhere. We can maybe hang it up on one of these. It'd be so cute. I love that I did that. I finally invested in it. I was going to do it for the longest time. And then eventually you just have to invest in yourself. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just need to invest in you. But anyway, that's it for me today. Tomorrow I'm going to go abscond with a table from Vintage Junkie because I need it. And I'll tell you why in a little bit, but I'm not telling you why quite yet. I'll tell you why next week. I have some news, some amazing news, but I'm not ready to share it yet. Next week. Next week I'll tell you everything. Okay? I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.